Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, ma ọbụ m Akajigo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Nobody taa n'oge awa nke isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ all you need to know about Bible. All you need to know about Bible. I'm here to tell you that this book called Bible is what I call allegorical stories. Yes. Reason Bona Jabu book is comprises of stories, true life stories, my stories, reality stories, and so on and so forth. It's formulated books. And the note that this book over the years. And during the era of Pope and Saint Damasus the First, ka a combine this akwụkwọ. E nwere ọtụtụ ndị rụrụ ọrụ na ya bụ akwụkwọ wee nweta ya n'etu ọ dị kịta, mmadụ dịka Jerome, otherwise known today as St. Jerome. Onye ahụ na-akpata na the Facebook edere dịka a na-akpọ St. Jerome's Bible. O dechara ya wee translate ya na Latin, otherwise known as Vulgate. Yes, this book Pope ordered during the reign of Pope Damasus from 382 AD. Yes, then to 392 AD. Oge ya bụ nwa amadi passed on. Ewee nwekwazie the next Pope, mana achịkọtara ihe gbasara na ya during the time of Pope Damasus the First. Then enwezio n'oge the next successor ya bụ Pope Celestius. Yes, bụ onye nọchitekwara anya. Then achịkọta ihe gbasara ya in the year 400 AD. Mana in the year 417 AD ka enwelu a convokuru ihe na-akpọ Council of Carthage. Council of Carthage. The Council of Carthage ya ka made many amendments. But malakwa na the first council, the Pope Damasus the First point Jerome ka o neba anya wee chịkọta dọtụ akwụkwọ ma ndị ewepụrụ ewepụ ma ndị agbakwunyere bụ na Council of Rome. Ihe ndị a bụ ihe anyị ga-enebasi anya. So pay attention, you will learn a lot. Ọ bụrụ na ị mara history, na ị mara etu ihe si bido, o nwere ka ị ga-esi wee nwee ike ịchịkọta. I'm here to prove to you that this work called Bible is full of human input, and there is this lot of distortions here and there. The story is actually to teach you a lesson. It's like akụkọ ilu anyị na-afụwa mgbe anyị dị n'ụmụazị. Ihe ndị a ka anyị ga-eneba anya. Before we dive into today's lecture, echefuna na anyị nọ na month of November. Our group ritual is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Yes, this ụtụtụ ejego m na temple chụọ aja gọọ ọfọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị sonyela anyị all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecrated Group. Tụ aka isi eme ganye na ọnwa agwụ. The last day of the month, anyị ga-eje na mmiri were ihe ọnụ na-erije kpee ihe ọma n'aha mmadụ dum. Bịa na temple chụọ aja to entities of powers. Jee n'ebe nchụaja gbuo ebulu mee saraka. Anyị malitere ịchụ aja ihe karịgoro 3 years now. We have massive testimonies. So ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso na anyị sonyela ihe ị ga-eme bụ chat am na WhatsApp, forward all your 3 prayer requests, then make token donation to the account number. Chat them na WhatsApp, I'm going to other details we need for you in order to book you. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 In the wire and screen, you have these numbers. And book you also 0805 7837 Now let's dive into today's lecture. I'm adding long, but pay attention, you will learn a lot. I'm here to tell you about what you need to know about the work called Bible. Yes. So, share the message, invite your friends, Kano from the horse's mouth. Only any pastor or a man of God, only can leak over the only Christian on tag the person, Kano from the horse's mouth. Can can you come here? I will go and give the here Basado Bible. We had Chikotara under the time ruler, Onyana or Pope Damasus the first. Damasus the first was a pope. Emechal may sent. But Obamaka in Kumaketa. He actually called Gable, nor convoke we had about Council of Rome. In money had about what he made ya convoke council. He ya convoke council on when we were here agents of Woody teacher. Then they were convoke council. Manon would hear talk and go before diving into today's lecture. No dear. Yen na check what nobody had about BC and AD. BC would those things similar thousands of years before Jesus was born, according to history. Then AD would those things recorded as he had mellow after Christ in Musigolo, according to that Greek story. Yes, I'm a name other books to prove that what only the personality of Jesus. Yes. Now some of these things I recorded on him during his reign. We hear a story of Pharaoh Akhenaten. I know all those things. And about that one I can actually dive into. Today, actually, I go here about the walk Bible. Later, when they walk up on the Bible, later speed up. Yes. So all you can actually face today. Then whether men were a personality called Jesus, more than they were at the we know according to the Jewish. Then what I hear about the letter J and their descent before this within this era, and over 2,000 years. I was a Bible scholar, so I have gone through all those books and everything. But today, I just want us to focus on the work of this Bible. The Bible. Yes. During the basic time, the ancient time, this work had about Bible at all. Here where then we had about screw or Torah. Yes, and a fold, or Torah no to all the book of the now, no during those era. Now, however, or to hear the engine so when you hear Basaroka, you hear Basaro various teachings. And let me tell you, and were so many the men of King Timber and Calibers, wise men, there are so many akupo, there are so many accounts. No, they teach and they can wear Kawachuku, the Hemma game, or Maroja career. And with so many books. So, but with those ones, the same way, many of us need that today. This is Malo. Namanga Eze-Ana need that today. Yes. And made that one of the book need now. Yeah, very soon. Why man was created. Then, what the name were to a case of what did they during the ancient time. Now, during this era of this Pope, according to Bible story, Melo, over 300 years, anywhere calling Jesus. Because no one had AD. So, according to that Bible and Greek story, that Jesus have died over 300 years, meaning no one was in the no within that time he had no bad there. So you can see why so many assay my hand does up this in here. Only put all to similar. You guys will agree with me now. Always some stories similar like last 50 years. Talk more of chemistry 300 or something years, going to 400 years. Again, one can syndicate new Majania. So, but yet not check and go again that book called Bible, Adi Bureau. Or borrow a book anywhere that all mad there. When I was about Pope Damasus the First, during the reign of Pope Damasus the First, Pope Damasus the First now thought it wise to pick some of the books Hachelo, no Genere Haka will portray the mission, their wish, their evangelism, and their aims and objectives. So what they did actually is to pick some verses some chapters. But before you know it, during this era, I was telling you now, and what he had chapters and verses. Yes, I will just here I will let the explanation the same way I did the books now. And one chapter and verses. So during this era, Owesio Kenyemeno well nominate you called Convoco Council of Rome. Convoco Council of Rome. Nimeno Convoco Council of Roma. Owe mandate here Jerome. Now otherwise known today as Saint Jerome. Now he mandated that Pope Damasus I mandated Jerome to work on those various accounts and books. Now to pick some selected places that they will use as the Bible as documented evidence. So, and this Jerome works on those documents and selected some. In fact, many was not selected. He selected both the Old Testament and New Testament and the allegories that follows. Now, some was not picked. Those ones are called lost book in the Bible because those ones are not there. So they selected those ones they think that will help them to portray their points or push their aims and objectives. That is what happened. Yes. So the account was not properly captured all. So they selected few based on the aims and objectives. So for you to understand it. So the Jerome now walked towards those books. After writing them, he now translate them to Latin. Because Latin, those days is when the Romans, they ruled the world, Roman Empire. Now, that time, Latin is one of the popular languages. He now converted, as translated into Latin, otherwise known as Vulgate. Now, the book was accepted and presented during the council, Council of Rome, headed by Damasus I. Now, and around Basaria in the year 400 AD. Then, when Damasus I passed on, and with another pope that follows him called Silicius. Then, during that time, Emesial convoked another council, Council of Carthage. This Council of Carthage in the year 417 AD. Now, Mark convoked that Council of Carthage. It discussed so many things in the Bible, and so many things were added and they removed the rest of them. So, everyone had so many councils, like Council of Ephesus. Yes, where they added that Mary is the mother of God. Yes, though those various councils, and were my council of Nicaea, were council of Ephesus, and were council of so many councils. You know why? So many councils that whenever the church ran into troubles, they will now convoke council of bishops and everything, and leaders of the church. Then they will come and discuss about some of those things and round it up. So you can see that Bible did not fall from heaven. It's actually a man's work. Yes. Remember, like I told you before, in the ancient time, this work called Bible is not the only book written there. And there is not, even before this time I quoted now, there is nothing like Bible. Every write-up is like a screw. Yes. So, Emesial, Bible Saint Jerome, where Chokota here as a volume, as a write-up. Come on, Emesial. Ongonya na about a tuner. Yes, a printer. Because of his knowledge concerning printing, he now rework on the Bible He worked on the Bible, and for easy searching, he now created the Bible into chapters and verses. It's the work of Robert Ezeana. Yes, he was a printer. So that is how Bible came to be. And now, there were so many things the church added. Like if you go to the last chapter of Revelation, every the church will that now. No onye ọbụla wepụrụ ewepụ n'akwụkwọ nke ndụ a na-aga ewepụ ihe na ndụ ya. Na onye ọbụla tinyere etinye na-aga etinye ihe ndụ ya. Ihe a bụ okwu ekwubiri wee seal ya. The last chapter of Revelation had to be mentioned in the Bible. And don't forget that this book, Bible, according to St. Jerome, Catholics understanding them was the first version of written Bible Catholics used about St. Jerome's Bible. Ije ebe a na-ele liturgical books, ị ka ga-afụkwa ya. All the very expensive. Then there were further translations like Good News. Good News is also owned by Catholic. Now, o nwere ihe ị ga-eji wee makwa Catholic Bible. Yes, ihe eji makwa Catholic Bible bụ na Catholic Bible the 73 chapters. Yes, that is 73 books. Yes, 73 books. Let me put this here: 73 books. While Pentecostal, name them the Anglican and the Lutheran Church. Then one day I will come to that teaching because upon Ankusiology here Basalo division, the Protestant and the Catholic. If we hear Melon, but actually you could actually limit to Bible today. So if you like, keep following me, you will keep on imparting you with knowledge. Now, the Anglican owned Bible has 66. Anglican and let's call it Protestant Bible has 66 books, while the Catholic own has 73. Because the Catholic own includes the Apocrypha, the Ecclesiastes. Other Bible has Ecclesiastes, but these people have Ecclesiastes and have Ecclesiasticus. And they have book of wisdom, book of Tobit, and rest of them. So they added like other 7 different books. That is why the Catholic account book is 73 books put together from different sources. And in that Bible, so many books was manipulated, and when he came to account the real author. And when some books accredited to Moses, like 5 of them, including Numbers and Deuteronomy. Some of the books that even gave account of how Moses was died. So you can see some of the books was written by unknown followers, and some of them was manipulated stories. Yes. So there were other books written like, there were some books of the author. However, any the credit to Paul, because this is letter. It was say St. Paul when he was addressing the Corinthians. He said, "I'm addressing you, my brethren, living in Corinthians. I remain your brother in the Lord, Paul." So you can see it's a letter. When Paul was writing those letters, it wasn't like chapters and verses, but it's the work of Robert Ezeana to arrange them in the formula it was now. It wasn't like this in the year 400 AD. So from time to time, I never quite revise version. And then, because if it's King James is solely owned by the Anglican, the England, the Queen. It's their sole book. You can't reprint it without their permission. So this is a document. Some of these books, like the St. Jerome Bible, is solely owned by Catholics. The good news is solely owned by Catholic. The good news is also solely owned by Catholic. You can't reproduce them without their input, their approval. So it's personal work. So when somebody is telling you that the Bible is the work of God, the person don't understand. Manobo Nonya was say I like one thing I like about Ordinary is being honest and sincere. If you had they been they said that the Bible is a work written by men, by inspiration, in order to help people understand more of God, a little about God, is understood. Like the one I'm writing now, I will not say is word of God because but whether I wrote them under the inspiration of Omomo, yes. So Ordinary and I like it very sincere. Mgbe Paul na-edegara ndị Kọrịnt akwụkwọ, ọ Paul na-ede is not God. But ikwu na Paul na-ede for to enable men understand whom Chukwu is understood. So what am I saying in essence is this. The work Bible is a work comprises of so many things, which I will explain before I round up. So what am I saying in essence is this. Bible is work of man. Yes. To achieve purpose best known to people that compile them. That's what I can tell you. Yes. So all the right up there is written stories. Is a formulated stories to achieve so many things. Let me tell you, Bible is a book written, and those Catholics, those books they put like Book of Wisdom, Tobit, and rest on the Maccabees, and most of them. If you listen to those stories, you understand that they use those stories to defend their faith. That some of their teachings is those book of Maccabees, Tobit, gave them approval. So, but the Protestant own, they don't want to be doing all those canon law of a thing or doctrine of a thing. So they expurge it from their own version. So that's why, so that you will not be confused why Catholic book is 73 books matched together, while Anglican own is 66 books matched together. And this book was written by different authors. Example, if you go to New Testament, Hebrew, the book of Hebrew was credited to Paul. But as a Bible scholar, we know Paul is not the writer of the book of Hebrew. Yes, there were some books. Either Corinthians, yes, Paul the Corinthians. Now the first Corinthians, second Corinthians. And we don't know them when do there. But in order to credit others, some unknown authors. That's what I'm trying to say. It was some of the books, even the Old Testament. And then was some that they rejected because some of the words there is contradictory. You know that name of the book of Judas. Judas did his own. But they thought it not to put it. They decided not to put it in the Bible. So it was a case we have a book of Thomas. Sometimes he could not of those books, so therefore he will not understand. I can tell you that there are so many books that I have access to. You don't have access to it, you have not read them. So whenever I want to teach, I will teach you based on the one you know, in order not to complicate things. So I will teach you based on your level of knowledge. So what I would say before I summarize what is Bible all about. Bible is a work, a book created and edited by man to achieve a purpose best known to people that brought them together and named them Bible. However, I will tell you without missing words that Bible is a combination of history books. History. They brought some certain things from the history of the ancient time. Some of the things they renamed the actors. That is, there was a distortion in some of the stories there to suit their purpose. So there is a serious distortion there. Bible comprises the story books, the reality stories, the fictions, and my stories. These are 5 different divisions of books they brought together. And some of the books, the ancient books, they pinpoint some stories there to use it to make up the Bible, like the book of death. I know you must have not read it before. So all these things is a combination of books that they use to select the parts that suit them and call it Bible. For me, I call it allegorical story. Then take it from me that this year book, most loved book, did not fall from heaven. Is in a work that was assigned. I will tell you, people that work on this work to the Bible, and they keep on revising it from time to time till at this point now. People that work up on the Bible, starting for the first person, Jerome, later was St. Jerome. And then all the people that walk into the Bible, the church canonized all of them. Another person that walked with the Bible is St. Anselm. Another person that walked with the Bible is St. Augustine of Hippo. Yes. And one other person, I have forgotten his name now, that are people that are walk in the Bible the way it is now from time to time. So note that this book is equivalent as other spiritual books we are seeing elsewhere, and one combination of other spiritual books that are amalgamation of many various books. Like in Igbo spirituality, it will shock you that some of you don't even know that Nainwelo holy book in Igbo spirituality, otherwise known as Nkomi, deep thought. Yes, this Nkomi is a book combination of 7 books together. It is known as Nkomi. Yes, it's like Bible full. However, by the grace of Chukwu Okepere Henine, yes, during this my 8th time, I will be able to write many books that will help many people to strengthen their faith and to understand how things work in creation. It will be a book that will save many lives. We have started with the first one we are doing now, named Why Man Was Created. This one I'm talking about is in the printing press right now as we speak. So next week, I will start the book review. After review, I'm working very hard to see if we can bring out this book before the end of this year, 2025. Eze-Ana Chineke. Other ones we are working with other books and we get them ready as soon as possible. Nwa ajụjụ ị nwere na nkụzi a, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 I repeat 0805 7837 Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị isi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwuo ya n'ihi na ọ masịrị ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu Okepere be with you all. May you be protected. May Chukwu nke Africa bless you all now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.